And what is a defib?
Shocks the heart back into action.
Very close?
It stops the heart and
No,
it's the rhythm.
it will.
Yeah, the rhythm, yeah.
Now, it's called an automated external defibrillator. Automated does a lot of the thinking for you. Okay? It takes all the guesswork out of it. It just lets you know what to do. It's like my wife. The first thing is that you have to make sure there is no danger. Yeah? So if you're on the beach using one, we drag them up to the dry them down, because water and electricity don't mix very well. Second of all, you check for response. Hello, open your eyes, can you hear me? What's your name? Squeeze my hands. No response, send for help, getting all the equipment that you need, making sure you're coming to the right place. Then you're going to open the area, looking, not blocked, look, listen, feel for about 5 seconds. They're not breathing, and I want you from now on, if you hear anybody say not breathing, start compressions. Don't wait. Yeah? You're better off doing compressions than not. At that time, someone will arrive with a defib. The person doing the compressions will not stop doing compressions. Yes? You may need to open their shirts. These shirts are horrible to open up. So what are you going to use? Scissors. What about underwire bras? Bolt cutters? You will open that up. So please, try and keep people's dignity. There's no need for everyone to be there. Only those that are essential. The person doing the compressions will keep on doing the compressions, and we're going to practice this. The next person is going to come and peel the pads, separate them. They're going to go top right. Still compressions going on, guys. Yeah, just visualize compressions going on the opposite side, and then we're going to turn it on.
Apply pads to patient's bare chest. Plug in pads connector next to flashing light.
Exits to your right and to your left.
Apply pads. Analyzing heart rhythm.
Analyzing heart rhythm. It's looking for that
Do not touch the
ventricular tachycardia. Ventricular tachycardia. It's looking for it.
shock advised.
It's found that rhythm.
Charging.
It's loading up now.
Stay clear of the patient.
No one touching the patient.
Deliver shock
See how that
now.
lit up? That
Press
means
the
now that it's
orange
fully
button
charged at that
now.
point. At this point, it's on the floor. Everyone step back, step back, step back.
Shock delivered. Start CPR.
And you go back to doing CPR. Yeah? Why? Because we haven't fixed the problem as such. Yeah? You probably find that you've just shocked the heart. You've made the electrical conductivity, you're depolarized, you've done that, but you need to get the pump moving again. The rest of the body hasn't caught up with it. It's like, you know, when you were younger, maybe your dad's, your parents, we had jumper leads and all that. Remember those jumper leads? And you jump it and you stand back and you have a conversation. Because you just didn't go and walk away from it. You had to charge the battery a little bit, get things moving, get it all warmed up and all the rest of it. Then you'd take it off and drive off and hopefully you'd get home somehow. It's the same thing with this. You're going to continue on doing a little bit of compressions until when? Until the person regains consciousness, professional help takes over, or you physically can't do it anymore. Now defibs, they have up to about 50 shocks in them. So you've got a while before you give up, yeah? Any questions? Comments?
28, 29, 30.
Hold the head, tilt it back. Now keep doing compressions. Now your hands are going to stay there the whole time. See how Tim's holding his airway open. So the better that he can have a head tilt, the better the situation's going to be. Very nice, yes? Look where the shoulders are, they're not bumping into each other. It's very COVID friendly, all that kind of stuff, you know, separating as much as possible, okay? And you'll be talking to each other, doing a really good job there, man.
Heart rhythm.
So no one touch. Fantastic, that's what we want to hear. See.
No shock advised.
Uh-oh. What's happened?
Start CPR.
Why did it do that?
There was no heart rate.
No,
No shimmering.
no shimmering. Thank you. You can stop now. Thank you. That's it. Right on the side. Excellent. Just turn it on. Green button.
Analyzing heart rhythm.
Put your hands up.
Do not touch the patient.
Fantastic.
Shock advised.
It's found the correct shock.
Charging.
Doot.
Stay clear of
Doesn't make that noise.